All right, today I am revisiting a painting that is into the second stage now. I am pretty excited about this painting. I decided to go with some very subtle purples. They're almost getting close to blues. And I'm also throwing some pinks into this painting. So what you're seeing now is just the kind of base colors. I'm just starting to put some color over it. Towards the end of this, I'm getting really close to the final look of the painting. There's going to be some other little nuances and little brush strokes and things I add to this over the next week or so before it's done, just because that's just kind of how I work. It takes a while to get these things locked into place, but by the end of this video, you're going to see a near final feel to the painting, minus some little things I'll touch up. I decided not to really overdo these videos as far as editing. One thing I've noticed, and it's really become an issue, I think, with just the art world in general, is that we all feel we need to edit videos to be just so punchy and so fast and so amazing that it almost seems like the editing comes first. And I've let that kind of happen to myself over the last month or two. I don't know if you've noticed, I've kind of changed the way I've been doing my videos. I'm trying to save time. I'm trying not to take a lot of time in the editing. I try to make sure that the people that like my work get to enjoy the process, get to see what I'm doing, but over editing, trying to make it all about the video versus the art, I decided to kind of dial back that part of it and just really focus on the art and take a little less time in the editing. But I still want to put these videos out, and I will still have my 10-minute videos. This one's just a little shorter because this was a quick 2-hour process. I just put some purples and pinks over it to get things started. It really just came together nicely. I was kind of surprised at how quickly this one came together with just a couple hours of adding some color on top of the initial kind of first stage of the painting, of just getting the basic painting done and then adding some parts to it that really create the expressiveness of it and really start to tell a different story to this painting. So check out my Instagram page if you want to see the final painting. It should be over there in about a week or two. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to answer any questions you have. Subscribe, like, follow, all that stuff. Check out my Patreon page if you want to see some tutorials and art downloads. Besides that, I'm just going to go ahead and finish this video up for today, and I will talk to you again very soon. All right, bye.